It is on candy. Can't use an annotation. Alright, number 1 says n is between m and p. Does it say it's the midpoint?
No.
So are they going to be congruent? No. Draw a picture to help you. Always draw a picture first. It will help. They gave me the length of segment MN, which is how much? 17. I like to put it on my picture so I can visually see it. And then they gave me the length of MP, but MP is what? 5y plus 9. And that's the total. So this is the total. 5y plus 9. Okay. The next section of length they gave me was NP, which is 3y. Okay. What equation can I write so that I can find the length of MP? So I need to find the value of y first. What equation would you write? Try again. Good. Good. Alright, you see what we did there? We used angle addition. Line segment addition equals the total length of the segment. Okay? You would solve for y, and then after you solve for y, plug it in to find what? And, okay? That's more. Can I move to number 2? Okay, number 2. Number 2 has that vocab word. What word? Midpoint. So this one is a midpoint of K between J and L. And I'm going to draw the tick mark so I don't forget those are congruent, since that is the midpoint that bisects the segment into 2 equal parts. And then I read the information I'm given. I'm given JL equals 4x minus 2 and JK equals 7. Find H, X, KL, and JL. If they gave me JK, what is JK? 7. If I already know this is 7, what is the other side? So then, how am I going to find X? What's the total from J to L? What's the total? It is 14. What's the expression? 4x minus 2. So that means 14 has to equal 4x minus 2. See what we did? Can we solve for x now? Yes. Add 2, divide by 4. You good? Alright, that's number 2. Everybody wrote an equation. The video will be uploaded if you missed it. Okay. Number 3. E bisects DF. If I see the word bisect, what does that mean? The 2 parts are equal. Yes, because the midpoint bisect and bisect means put into 2 parts. Yeah. Bisect means you cut it in half. Alright, let's label what we have. DE is 2y. EF is 8y minus 3. Did I get any other information? No. So what equation could we write here? If those are equal, what would your equation be? Good. And then you're able to solve for y here. On number 3, your y will be a fraction, okay? So if you want to make a note, number 3, your y is a fraction, and solve it. Now, number 4 is the one that I need you to pay attention because it has a quadratic. So, everyone good on number 3? Can I have a board? Alright, number 4.
Oh my god.
Number 4, D is between C and E. D between C and E. Okay, CB equals x squared. Notice I didn't put tick marks because there's no definition of midpoint or bisect. CE is 32 minus 2x, so that is the total. Okay, and then DE is 12x. Alright? Before we write the equation, everybody good with the parts for each part of the cycle? Yep. Okay, what equation would you write? Because it's not equal, because it's not a midpoint, right? So we have to do addition. So what would you write? Good. Okay. Now this is different from the notes because we didn't solve a quadratic on the notes, but you did solve quadratics last year. Now I know that was over a year ago. And that's why I'm making this video, so we can practice this together. How do you solve a quadratic? Who remembers? Yes.
It's like you do, you have to put it into the thing, like the formula.
If you use the quadratic formula, you can do that. But before you do the quadratic formula, everything needs to be set equal to what?
0.
0.
So you have to like move it off to one side.
Yes, move everything to this side. So I'm going to do minus 32 and plus
2x.
2x. That'll let me be, that'll give me this equals 0, right? And then I have x squared plus 12x
Plus 2x.
plus 2x minus 32. Okay.
So 14x.
Yep, if we simplify, that would be x squared plus 14x minus 32. Whoa. All I did was combine the 12 and the 2. Everybody good? Everybody see what I did with the 32 and the 2x? Okay, so we have this equation now. For quadratics, there's different ways to solve them. You can do box method, you can factor, you can do quadratic formula. Whatever you just like to do. How many solutions are you going to get? 2. Okay? I would use the solution that is positive. That would be find them. Okay, there will be 2. And if you don't remember, you got to find 2 numbers that both sides make it 32 and add up to 13. If you did box method, then it looks something like this. I remember that. And then you get like, I don't know how to do box method because I was just taught to do it in my head. But whatever they taught you, do that. Okay. Number 5 and 6. Your answers will be fractions, but I need them to be improper fractions. Don't give me decimals because we don't do decimals with repeat. How would you convert an improper fraction? Mixed fraction to an improper fraction? Do I remember? How would I convert this negative 5 and 1/4 to an improper fraction? Do I remember? 4 times negative 5. Negative 20 minus 1. Do you remember that? It's 4 times 5 plus 1. Y'all see that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's try another one on number 8. 3 times 4? 12 plus 2. So this is 14 over 3. Yeah. 14 times 3 plus 2, and the denominator 2. The other ones are pretty straightforward with the equations, okay? Yes. I didn't do it, I just changed this number here.
Also, you can use it for number 7.
Number 7?
Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of HJ is twice JK, which means there's like 3 parts. So you can just divide 78 by 3, and then since HJ is twice JK, that means it's 2/3, and JK is 1/3. So then you could divide it
By 3.
Yeah. And then you just have 1/3, and then that's JK.
Right.
Yeah, because it's twice. You can do it for any. Anytime it's like twice, it's fine.
Yeah.
Made it harder.
Alright.
That's algebra.
I will upload this in case you get something.